Gold was in multi-year downtrend. It was making lower low, lower high below this trend line. It made bottom at the support near $1,000 psychological mark. It break this trend line here, then retrace back. If we compare gold and Bitcoin chart, both did the same. Because Bitcoin known as digital gold and investors are treating Bitcoin as alternate to gold. Both were trading below trend line, then they break the trend line, trace back, but none of them touch the trend line, which saw FOMO among traders and investors. Anyone who was waiting for trend line retest, he missed the opportunity. Technical and psychological understanding of this trend at the bottom is necessary to understand future price action. If you have this understanding, then you can plan every possible trade plan for bulls and bear before price reach there on your chart. The first information we get from past history of price action is bulls successfully protected this psychological mark. An entire bullish trend was started from 1046. They are buying before next crisis come. This bottom was made when Fed raised interest rate, which was clear signal to financial market US economy has fully recovered. Everyone was getting ready for next crisis. That is why they have FOMO, which was clearly shown by price action. Buyers were hedge fund, smart money, super rich and professional trader. When gold made this all-time high in 2011, everyone was saying $2,000. So they will do that again. Some of the trader has missed this opportunity. They will wait for second chance. Based on past information, we will understand current price action and we will make trade plan for future price action for possible buy and sell entry. They bought in FOMO, but they need something to turn their speculation into investing. And trade war give them hope until coronavirus came. After market crash, gold again made this bottom. It made 38% retracement of entire trend near this horizontal support. This support was made right before Trump speech started. On this trading day, technical come first and fundamental came later, and gold made support at this level. This is your weekly horizontal support 1445. As long as price is trading above this support, it is bullish. Trend is making series of higher high, higher low. If this support break, then entire trend will turn bearish. These buyers will take their profit and investor who bought gold as hedge against inflation after QE will already have sold their gold because those buyers have taken their entry above this support. All of the beginner trader who invested in GameStop and Bitcoin have their entry above this level because they started trading during lockdown. After this high in 2011, downtrend started. This downtrend started after all-time high is correction to previous trend or downtrend has started. We have many support and resistance to confirm this. 1445 horizontal support and these two trend line. Lower trend line has only tested two times and upper trend line was tested third time last month. Price had made double bottom near 1680 at this bullish pin bar of weekly candle. Confirmed buyers are taking entry. At this price level, we have trend line 61% retracement of this trend and 38% retracement of entire trend. Gold trend is bullish as long as it's trading above this trend line and Fibonacci retracement. On breakout of this trend line and horizontal support, next support are 50 and 61% retracement of entire trend. These two few retracement are near key support. First intraday resistance for these wire are 1747 and 1765. These wire have their target at this high, but before making new higher high, it has to break this trend line. It has already tested two times. Seller will take their entry on third retest of this trend line. This is the beginning of downtrend or correction to previous trend will be confirmed by this trend line. If this trend line break, then it is correction. If it does not break, then it is downtrend making retracement. We have Fibonacci retracement here, green for this wave and red for this complete wave. Bulls have their SL below this wick and profit target new higher high. Bears will not take their entry until it make at least 38% retracement or retest this trend line. So secondary intraday resistance are 1784 and 1829, which are retracement of this trend.